In this video, how to update your BIOS without a battery. Normally, you can't update the BIOS without a battery connected. To get around this, let's keep the update window open and go to the temporary folder. You'll find a temporary folder here. Let's copy it to your desktop. As you can see, if you close the update window, the temporary files will be deleted automatically. Now, in the copied folder, locate the platform.ini configuration file. Right-click on it and open it with your preferred text editor. Press Ctrl+F to search for AC adapter. You can change the value to 0 for not checking the AC adapter. You can also change the battery check to 0 to skip the battery check. Close and save the configuration file. Finally, run this file to update the BIOS without needing the battery. Please note, flashing your BIOS without a battery is very risky. Any interruption in power, like a power surge or accidental unplugging, can permanently damage your motherboard. Always plug directly into a reliable power outlet or use a UPS. Avoid using power strips or unstable power sources. If you absolutely must proceed without a battery, double-check that the BIOS file is correct for your exact motherboard model and revision. This will help prevent it from becoming unusable. Also, avoid touching any cables, moving the computer, or plugging in any devices while the BIOS is updating. As you can see, the warning message is gone, and the update process will begin automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.